Hello guys, Hortensia here. Welcome back and welcome to a new video. This week I'm making an unboxing video. I wanted to do something else or something a little bit different, even though I've done an unboxing video already, but it's okay. I wanted to do something else because I just found these shoes and I thought I could do a video about them. And I'm doing an unboxing of these Air Max 90 with camouflage print that I found online, and I really like them. I haven't unpacked them, so we are doing the complete unboxing together. And first of all, I wanted to show you guys my outfit. Since you can see it, I paired this cute jumper from Nike with the cheetah print with this cool green mini skirt, and I'm a really big fan. So that's it for today's outfit. Let's start with the unboxing. And I don't have scissors. I don't need them. Let me just unpack it. I don't know if I'm going to do styling outfit with the shoes already, but let's see. So as you can see, it's the Nike. It's the standard Nike box with red. Oh god, they are pretty. Oh, they are so pretty. They're actually a men's model, I think, but I found them in my size. That's why I wanted to try them on. So they are so pretty. I love the green and then the camouflage print on the top, and yeah, it's really cool. And the sole is red. I really like the detail. I really love it. So you can see the two sides. So like I said, they are really pretty. I really love the detail on the sole. And yeah, should we end this video already? No, I think I'm going to do some styling outfit with them, but they are really pretty. I mean, they are just the standard Air Max 90, and they really seem comfortable. So you can see the back and the side. Let me try them on.
A few moments later.
So this is what they look like. I just wanted to show you a little close up. So the thing is, they are really comfortable. They are true to size. I just chose and I picked my normal size, and they are perfect. I am now wearing these no-show socks from Nike, so that's why you can't see them, but they are just perfect. I really love them. That's how they look like, and like I said, I really love the details. I love the camouflage details and the little leather details on them. And I don't know if you're like me, but I really feel like Air Max 90, they will never get old to me. Like, even if they are now what, like a little bit like really old, and I feel like they have never been off trend. They're not really on trend right now, you know, if you know what I mean, but I really still love them. And this wouldn't be one of my videos if you just don't have any styling ideas. So for these Air Max 90, I wanted to make 3 different outfits, like 3 simple outfits that you can apply during the summer, or yeah, during the summer if you want to. So for the first outfit, I went for this jumper from Nike that I'm wearing right now with the cheetah details on it, and the green skirt I showed you in the beginning of the video. And I feel like it's another really simple combination, like jumper, skirt, sneakers, if you want to add a little bit of femininity to your outfit. And yeah, it's really simple. Like you can wear a longer skirt if you want to, because the one I'm wearing right now, it's a mini skirt. You can wear a longer skirt if you want to, add some colors if you want to. It's really up to you. For the second outfit, I went for this really simple outfit that I could definitely wear at work. It's this jumpsuit in this culotte jumpsuit, not really culotte, I will say this Bermuda outfit, like Bermuda jumpsuit, because it's a little bit shorter than a culotte. Let's just say Bermuda. It's long enough for me to be able to wear it at work. It's really simple. It's something you can wear with no stress when it's way too warm and you just don't want to wear a dress, for example, and you just need another option. So that's another great option. This jumpsuit with the sneakers, really simple. You add some accessories if you want to, like a necklace or earrings, and it really depends on your style for sure. So that's the second option I have for you for this video. And for the last one, I went with something really simple as well, something you can wear during the weekend. A really simple dress with this kind of butterfly sleeves, with my straw hat, and another really simple outfit. Those are the 3 different options that I have for you for this video. Thank you for watching. I know this is a really short video, but it's really about something that I really love. I really wanted to do this unboxing. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you like the details, or if you feel like they are not really on trend anymore and you wouldn't like them, or you wouldn't wear them. And find me on Instagram at the Style Tips. I post daily inspirations, and I post some of my work outfits in my stories every day. Thank you again, and feel free to subscribe to watch more content like these, and see you next week. Bye.